Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Tinder app not loading. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to run through the most common causes or fixes. So what we first need to do is check your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Even turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds and then off. You can also restart your modem or router if on Wi-Fi. Now the next fix is to force close and reopen Tinder. So go ahead and force close all your apps, including Tinder, and then go ahead and reopen the application. Now another fix is to see if Tinder is down. So sometimes the issue isn't on your side. So to do this, open up a web browser, go to Google, type in something along the lines, is Tinder down? And now go to one of those down detectors. So I can go to downdetector.com and see if Tinder is down. If it is, got any outages, and there's nothing we can do, just got to sit and wait it out. Now the next fix is go ahead and clear the app cache. So click and hold down Tinder, click onto I for app info, scroll down, click on storage and clear cache. Another fix we can try is to make sure the Tinder app is up to date. So you go to your Player App Store, do a search for Tinder, and make sure the application is up to date. If it says open, you've got the latest version. If you don't, if it says update, go ahead and update the app. Now, if you've got any VPNs or proxies running in the background, what happens, Tinder often blocks some VPN connections. So disable the VPNs and then restart Tinder. Now, the last fix here is check for date and time settings. So incorrect time can break app connection. So if we go to settings and scroll down and look for time and date or similar. So under general management, go to date and time, make sure it is selected automatic date and time and automatic time zone. And then from here, just basically check again. Now, if you're still having issues, I suggest just reinstalling Tinder. So go back to your Tinder app, just click and hold down, uninstall, go to your Player App Store and re-download it, and then restart your phone.